Welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today we're working on this FG Falcon. Specifically, we're going to be swapping out the notorious starter motor. Now, this tutorial will be relevant for all Falcons from EL all the way up into the FGX. 6-cylinder, obviously. Basically, they're all the same. They actually run the same starter motor all the way through. As they got newer, they got smaller, but they all fit, so yeah. Now guys, if you need this part, we do have them available at Parts Factory Australia, so just click on the description of the video, link, order it, get it in your hand. I think they're about $153.30 with free postage within Australia, but check out the link, don't quote me on that one. Now guys, I'm expecting this job to take about 10 minutes. It's actually super easy, but however it does require getting underneath the car, so make sure you've got a jack and 2 safety stands, one for backup, if you know what I mean. But other than that, guys, we're going to jump under, we're going to undo the negative battery terminal, let the energy sap out of the system, then we're going to basically undo the wires off the starter motor, pull the starter motor out, put the new one in, start her up, and happy days. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, something a little different today. Because of the position of the starter motor, you can't actually do it with a regular camera. So I'm going to be using a GoPro and this little torch. Now, I'm going to jump under this car. I want you to have a quick look here. You can see that I've jacked the car up with a forklift. Now, you will have done it with a jack and hopefully some stands, so you're nice and safe. Pretty much, we need to get it up and we need to basically get underneath, isn't it? So, yeah, make sure you got all the safety devices ready to go. Then we want to come over. We're going to undo this battery terminal here, just like that. Let that power sap out of the system for about 2 minutes, because guys, you are going to be playing around with the positive wire underneath this car. Let me just jump under. Right, now, you can see the starter motor right there. It is easy to access, but it's not easy to access for a camera. So we've decided to do this video a little bit differently. What I'm going to do is I'm just actually going to show you what to unbolt. I'm not going to do it. I'm not actually going to do it because I can't really film it anyway, so there's no real point. So I'm going to put this torch up in here so you can see clearly, like so. See if we can get it to sit there. Yep, nice. And now see this positive cable, guys. You just pull this little flap back and pop it down like so. Pull it down, and then see that 13mm there. I'm gonna see if I can get this camera right up. See that 13mm, guys, where we pulled that off? Undo that 13 and pull that positive wire to the side. And once you've done that, check back with me. Now, the next part is just to pull this little activator wire. You see this one here? Pull that off. So you've pulled this one off, you've pulled this one off, and you guys, you're almost there. The last part is literally, you can see that, what is it? It looks like 12mm or 10mm. I trust you'll be able to work that out. And then guys, if you have a look on the other side of the starter motor, hopefully you can see, let's have a look. If you look through there, there's another one, 12mm or 10mm. I'm not sure if you can see that. I think it's there in the shot. Basically undo those two, guys, and that's it. The starter motor pulls straight out, see? Boom, bang, starter motor out. You can jump out of the car, and of course that would be job done. Out. Now it's time to grab your new one. Don't forget, we stock them at Parts Factory, so if it's something you need, definitely cruise on. Just click the link in the description, and yeah, you will find the part there ready to go. Now, guys, you grab your new part, come back in, slide back under the vehicle, and of course, put your new starter motor back in the hole. These bolts, start them by hand, one, and of course, the one at the back is basically, you're going to need a little bar. So just remember that you're going to need a little breaker bar. And then of course, guys, positive terminal back on, 13mm nice and tight. Your activator switch or your activator wire. And don't forget to drag your red cable back over the top, covering it up nicely. Grab your torch, and pull yourself out of the car, because guys, you're actually done at that point. Job complete. Now yes, I know I haven't actually done the task, but as you can see, I can't really get in there with the camera anyway, so what would be the point in doing that? And guys, at that point, obviously, it's now time to start the car, make sure everything's functioning correctly. Happy days. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I know this one's been a little different, but I trust you're going to be able to work it out with my very easy basic instructions. Realistically guys, don't forget, it's a 10 or a 12 mil, I think it's a 12 mil. You just have it on a little breaker bar, break the bolts, undo them by hand. And that's it guys, there's nothing else to it. So yeah, now guys, I just wanted to point out, think about the amount of money you've just saved performing these DIY repairs yourself. That's what we're about at Parts Factory Australia guys. We want to save you money. So if it's something that interests you in the future, perhaps you do your own DIY repairs, we have plenty of FG Falcon content, so make sure, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you can. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.